Alright, Dad, so what are we doing right now?
Trying to execute a flawless, but too many distractions involved. Building a sand bike, since everybody wants to run around the sand dunes like a bunch of lizards. Nobody can ride in the woods, so I'm gonna figure I'd build something I could ride on the coast. Something I don't care about. Like a 4-stroke. That's what I'm doing.
Alright, so what is this bike?
So a 09 YZ450F. Or surely will break down. I can't say that. Duners.
Pizza.
Dunes.
Tasty.
Gotta hang out with all the dune goons.
Yep.
We got the Doonies.
Yeah, so these are some real bikes right here. Yeah.
2-stroke.
2 smokers. This is just, just something that'll fall apart in the first week.
It's a Doonie bike.
Looking pretty shined up. This one's not shined up yet. This one is though. Looking good.
So shiny, Ray Charles could see it.
Sure could. Still got all that stuff. Polish. I'm gonna polish this as well. Make it look nice and shiny.